Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale online courses with Udemy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Research your target audience to understand their needs and preferences. Identify a niche or subject where you have expertise and interest. Create an engaging course outline detailing the key topics you want to cover. Break down each topic into digestible lessons or modules. Develop high-quality content that keeps learners engaged, including videos, quizzes, and supplementary resources. Choose a suitable format for your lessons, whether video, text, or a combination of both. Record your course content using a good microphone and camera for clear audio and visuals. Edit your videos for clarity, incorporating graphics or notes to emphasize key points. Design eye-catching course thumbnails and promotional images to attract potential students. Craft a compelling course description that highlights the benefits and learning outcomes. Set a competitive price for your course based on market research. Upload your course to Udemy along with all necessary materials and resources. Choose relevant tags and categories to improve your course visibility on the platform. Launch your course and promote it through your existing networks and social media. Utilize Udemy's promotional tools and discounts to reach a broader audience. Engage with students by responding to their questions and feedback promptly. Continuously update your course content to keep it relevant and fresh. Gather student reviews and testimonials to enhance your course credibility. Monitor your course performance metrics on Udemy to identify areas for improvement. Consider creating additional courses to build a comprehensive learning path for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.